Good morning, everybody. Today is day 23 of the $500,000 challenge. We are down in San Jose. We're here for Adrie's family one, so it's not necessarily a vacation or a hunting trip. It's kind of a combo of both. So we're gonna go to all of the outlet malls and just see what we can find. Our sales are looking a lot better on Amazon. We've kept up with that couple $100 pace, but we'll check in with the price here shortly.
First store we're going to is the Vans outlet. It's buy one, I think get one 50% off right now, which isn't the best sale they usually have. They do like a buy one, get one 70, but we'll see what we can find.
So we just got out of Vans, picked up 8 pairs for a total of $263. Adrie had a $20 off. I forgot to use the resale license, which is super dumb. So we paid tax, but Adrie's coupon covered the tax. I don't know what the per pair was, but I'll have it popped up for you guys. We're driving to the other side of the mall now, so we can go and hit Adidas, Marshalls, New Balance, Puma, ton of different outlets on this side. Great mall is a great mall.
First, I'm just looking for anything that has an additional clearance. So this would be 25 bucks a pair. But if we put that in, 25 will make $9, 17% return. Maybe it sells 201 units a month, so there's a possibility. But you know, we came all the way down here to find stuff. We're not gonna go for smaller profits. We want bigger stuff. So that's a no. Probably these Nizzas. I mean, these are super cheap. They're gonna be 20 bucks, if that. Yeah, nothing. Okay, we'll keep looking. Ultra Boost up here. 1.0s. They're gonna be 70 bucks. Okay, they only sell 7 units a month, which isn't good enough for us to pull the trigger on it because they are $70 a unit. But let's say they did sell better. We'd make 18, 15%. That's not really worth it, but it's still okay. We're finding things that are maybes, but we need to find for some for sures. All right, so we found these Dame 8s right here. They're gonna be 60, so then 30 bucks. $21 profit, selling 300 units a month, all good sizes, 12, all the same. So that'll make life super easy. We're gonna grab all of these. That's awesome. So I'm gonna start to pack these guys up right here. Let me double check the size 11. 20 bucks isn't bad for spending 30. You know, if it was spending 80 to make 20, not so much. Okay, still awesome. They sell for 70, make $21 profit. Yeah, we're gonna take that all day. 65? Yeah, 65. Oh, barely don't make money. That sucks. They only make $13, but that is such a good find right there.
So no?
No to those. I think that's about it. There's not really much left here. We found like 6 pairs. That's fine. We'll take that. 120 bucks. Some make actually 25, but oh, we just got done at Adidas. Not too bad. There was 6 pairs of Dames. They make 25 bucks each. They also they don't accept resale licenses anymore. Isn't that strange? I don't know. All right, so just got done pretty much with everything. I think the competition is just too high here in the Bay Area. Low-key feels like everything has already been picked through. Little margins are left, if any. Not looking too good for this entire run. It was definitely a lot rougher than I thought it was gonna be coming down here, but hopefully we can find stuff at the Vacaville outlets tomorrow. It's been rough, babe. It's been rough. Alrighty, so we are at the Vacaville outlets now. Just checked Nike, completely trash. They do have Columbia, Merrell, so I'm gonna run to those really quickly. Yes, I'm wearing the same t-shirt as yesterday. We got up super early so we could get here and also hit other stores, so I just rolled out of bed and kept moving. That's what we have to do sometimes. Columbia, up to 70% off. Yesterday we went into the one in Great Mall and it was buy one, get one. I saw a reseller there who was picking up stuff. So hopefully we can get it here, but we'll see. Yes, sir, we found it. So we just got done with Columbia. We picked up 6 pairs. Average cost per unit was $41. All the exact same. 2 size 12s, 2 size 11s, 2 size 13s. So super good. Each one sells for about $100, so they'll make about $40 profit, which isn't bad. Here, let me show you the bag they gave me. Look at this thing. It's a trash bag. They gave me a trash bag for it, so we'll take it. $70 pair of underwear. We picked up 69 pairs of underwear and 1 pair of shoes. Shoe selection was terrible in there. There honestly wasn't anything. And they brought out bins of underwear for us because we asked. And they were like, yeah, sure, why not? And 70 items. We can just assume they're going to be a little bit more than 20%. I believe we make $7 a unit for only spending about 10. But now we're gonna head to the Folsom outlets and see what they have. So what happened at the Folsom outlets? Well, I came in cameras ablazing, which probably wasn't the best idea. So they asked us not to film. I abided by the rules and did not film at all, just so we could secure the product that we had already picked out. We had another 50 units of underwear, so that brings our total to 120 units of underwear now. Those make really good margins. They make anywhere from $5 to $7, just depending on what size it is and what they end up selling for. Then we also found 45 pairs of socks. 2 different types, and they were about $7 each, and they profit $4 a unit. They sell multiple units a month, so it's going to be pretty easy sell there as well. No shoes, unfortunately, but I'm happy with the underwear and socks we did find. So I just realized this entire episode, we have not talked about numbers yet. Last episode, we ended with 3,100 in total Amazon sales. eBay, we're not necessarily counting yet. It will have its time and place. In the last 7 days, because today is July 27th, we are at $3,595 in sales. What? That's insane. That means we've made in the last 7 days more than we've made in the last 14 days. And I was telling you Amazon is a general progression. The more products you have in, the higher chance you have of actually selling a product. That means now, drumroll please, $7,145. Over $7,000 sold in the last 27 days is not bad at all. So the end of the month is coming up soon. So next month we are going to go over all of our numbers and see what our total profit is. So if you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's very interesting to me because we've sent in products that we've picked up for 15, 20 bucks, and it sells on Amazon for 80 or 80 plus. I mean, there was an Ultra Boost that we got for 40 and it sold for $180 a couple days ago. So there are products that we are making $50 plus per unit. The end of the month is right around the corner, a couple days away. So hopefully we can get to $9,000 in sales. It would be amazing to get to $10,000, but that's over $1,000 a day at the moment. But that's okay. I think that's where we're going to end this video. It's been solid. We've picked up a ton. Now we got to pack it. So the next couple days for me is just going to be packing all of this product and getting it out as quickly as possible. Getting in the mail, especially by Monday. So in 2 days. So I think that's where we're going to wrap it up. If you guys have things that you want to see in this challenge more specifically, like posting products or how am I actually sourcing it or what am I looking for when I go to the stores, please leave comments down below. I'll make sure to add it into the videos upcoming. I want this to be tailored as entertaining as also educational. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate the support as always, and we will see you in the next episode.